Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Here's something interesting that was a question that Randy from YouTube brought up, and he asked us about our flush slides. This is really interesting to me because it helps with a number of things. One is sealing capabilities. When all the slides are closed, you want to make sure that those slides are really sealing up nicely. Even when they're open, you want this seal to be very nicely done and protected to ward off any leaks. The other thing is, it helps as you're traveling down the road. It helps with debris, wind drag, so that you're not going to get any debris in these pockets and stuff. So I'm going to bring you in here. Take a look at this seal. We've got an outside seal with a bulb, and we also have an inside seal right here. Also, you'll notice on the exterior side of the slide there's another bulb. So when this closes, you've got these opposing bulbs. The other bulb goes right into this groove right here. It really seals it up nicely. So I'm going to go around to the other side and show you what it looks like when it's all closed up. So we go around this way. And this is what you call a flush slide. It really seals up nicely and really gives you that, for one thing, a nice appearance, and very little wind drag you're going to get with that. It's going to keep that debris from getting in between there. And it really seals up nicely so that you don't have any leaks. And you'll notice on the other side here, something that I just thought of that I didn't point out was these little things here. Now, these are really important because it helps with this slide. This flap has a tendency sometimes to do this number, and this keeps it deflaps it. Keeps it nice and stretched out when it rubs across these deflappers, I'm going to call that. So hey, if you want to know more about our slides, about some of the technology that we have in these units, give me a call. Give us a call at 844-284-6678 and get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.